Hey everybody, my name's Alberti and I love to decorate. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create the perfect tablescape for game day. If you like anything that you're seeing on the table, you can always find it by searching Table It at QVC.com, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Because of the type of food that we're gonna be serving on game day, and because I'm gonna be using my kitchen island as my table, I wanted to use craft paper as the base for my tablescape. I used a brown craft paper. I like the look and the feel of it, but you could use any color that you find at the craft store. Tape it around the edges after you've rolled it out so that it's secure, and then we can start decorating. So I picked up these numbers at the craft store. We're gonna start at the center with our 50-yard line. From there, we're gonna measure all the other sides of our football field. We're gonna do 50, 30, and 10. All you need to do is take white tape and place it on each one of your markers. So I think our football field is looking really good. It's time to add our numbers. There you have it. We have a bona fide football field. Anybody got a coin? Every great tablescape needs a beautiful centerpiece. We're gonna create pom-poms and put them in a beautiful mercury glass vase. They add life and color to your table, and they're really easy to make. What you're gonna need is tissue paper. You can use white as well as your favorite team colors. I like to mix in metallics because they add a really nice color and light to your table. Balloon sticks, you could find these at your craft store. Floral wire, tape, and a great pair of scissors. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is layer all your different colors of tissue paper. I used about 12 sheets here, and then I cut them into 10-inch squares. I used a paper clip on one end. Once you have that done, what you're gonna wanna do is do a fold with these about 1 inch in size. So once you've created a really nice fold, take that paper clip and attach it to the one side again, open it up, and you can see all of those different folds. Now that's gonna help you when you're making your cuts for your pom-poms. I started cutting on one side where all of the folds were. Just gonna do the other side. You don't wanna go all the way down to the center, because that center is gonna be necessary to hold the center of the pom-pom together. It's already starting to look like a party. I'm gonna remove these paper clips, bring that fold together, take our floral wire and run it around the center and get a nice good twist in there. Take a piece of your tape and just tie this around. This not only secures the pom-pom, but it's also going to help act as a little bit of a fastener for when I place this in the center of my balloon stick. Place the whole floral wire inside like that. Just twist this in. Now all you have to do is fan it out. Take one of the sides, one layer at a time. You can see how that's coming along on the bottom. I'm gonna continue doing this for the entire pom-pom. I love these because they're fun, they're festive. I placed them in a mercury glass vase. If you used glass, you would have to worry about, what you were seeing on the inside. Touchdown! That's how you create a really cool game day party that not only includes elements of football into your tablescape, but I love that we were able to do a twist on traditional game day foods. Here, Stacy's buffalo cauliflower bites add pop of color to the table and great flavor. Our Franks in a blanket are delicious, and I know that they're a crowd pleaser. And then, of course, that Jeffrey Zakarian salami is delicious and the perfect centerpiece for your charcuterie plate. But then, we were able to incorporate some fun elements. Your traditional snack mix, pretzels, I love these cheese bites, and then, of course, a beautiful dessert that ties in that theme of football in our Cheryl's cookies. Last but not least, of course, we love that delicious themed party drink, the Paloma with grapefruit beer. If you like the idea, go check out Stacy's series on YouTube. It's called Serve It. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe. And remember, you can always find anything that you're seeing on our table at QVC.com. Just search Table It.